Okay, neatly we are going to rewrite the following numbers from least to greatest. Okay, so once again I'm going to think about my benchmarks. 0, 1/2, 1, and see where these numbers fit relation to that. So we first have 1/2. Well, 1/2 is 1/2, so I'm going to put that with 1/2. Okay, 0.745 properly read, that's 745 out of 1,000, 745 thousandths. Okay, so that's more than a half, but it's less than 1, so it's going to go somewhere here. It's getting closer to 1. Okay, 5/2. 5/2 is greater than 1. I'm going to put that up here. Okay, 9/10 as a decimal. We could write like that. So 9/10, that's going to be greater than, let's fix that, greater than 745 thousandths, but it's still less than 1. Okay, 8/10, that's also going to go in here. It's going to be in between 745 thousandths and 9/10, which I'm going to keep that 9/10 as 9/10. 8/10 would go in here. And last 6/100ths, if we wrote that as a fraction, that'd be 6 out of 100. 6 out of 100, that's pretty close to 0. That's way less than half. So it's going to go down here. So I'm going to clear my board now. Our smallest was 6/100ths. Then we had 1/2. Then we had 745 thousandths. Then 0.8, 8/10, 9/10, and lastly 5/2.